Topic: How I started learning English step by step for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manisha. I am a housewife and I am learning English step by step. If you are also a beginner, if you feel scared to speak English, then this video is only for you. In this video, I will share why I started learning English and how you can also start easily. Why I started English. Earlier, I was very scared of English. I understood English, but I could not speak. I felt shy. I thought people will laugh at me. But one day I decided if I don't start today, I will never improve. I am housewife. I manage home, children and daily work, but I also want to learn new skill. English speaking is a one important skill today. So I started learning English slowly without fear and without pressure. My daily routine. I don't study English for many hours. I practice only 10 to 15 minutes daily. In the morning, I read simple English sentences while cooking or cleaning. I repeat small sentences in my mind at night. I practice speaking in front of the mirror. I don't try to speak perfect English. I try to speak simple English. Simple tips for beginners. Tip 1: Start with small sentences. For example, I am learning English, I speak English. Tips 2: Don't translate every word in Marathi. Try to understand the meaning slowly. Tip 3: Speak slowly. Speed is not important, clarity is important. Tips 4: Makes mistake. Mistakes are part of learning. Tips 5: Practice daily, even for 5 minutes. Daily practice gives confidence. Motivation for housewives. I want to tell all housewives you can also learn English. Age is not a problem. Housework is not a problem. If I can start, you can also start. Don't wait for perfect time. Start with what you have today. Believe in yourself. You are stronger than you think. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, comment yes. If you are learning English with me, I will upload daily shorts video and weekly long videos for beginners. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.